Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both hardware and settings so the process goes smoothly. First, charge the earbuds and case to at least half. Low battery can prevent pairing. Next, enable Bluetooth on your phone and keep the device within 3 meters so signals stay strong. Once done, open the Jabra case or press and hold the feature/pairing button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This puts the earbuds into pairing mode so your device can find them. You now complete the connection on the phone side and ensure audio routing works. On your device, scan for Bluetooth devices. Once you see the Jabra model name, tap it to connect. Make sure to accept any pairing prompts or PIN requests. Most Jabra earbuds use simple confirmations. After pairing, check that media and call audio are assigned to the earbuds in settings. This guarantees music and calls route correctly. If you use the Jabra app, open it to finalize firmware and customization. You finish by verifying functionality and knowing one key recovery step. Play music and make a quick call or voice memo to test stereo sound and mic performance. This confirms both sides work. If audio cuts out or only one bud connects, restart the earbuds and your device, then repair. This fixes most transient issues. If connectivity still fails, perform a factory reset per your Jabra model. This clears pairing records and usually resolves stubborn faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.